Hi guys, welcome back. Today we show you how to do the hard reset on your Glaxy Tab. And the model of the tab is the P7500. The operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we need the power of the device. Now wait for the vibration to confirm the power of device. Okay, it's power off. Now press and hold this volume and power button together. Release power button, still holding volume. And now you're gonna see two options, downloading and the small Android next to the box. We need to choose this option and small Android next to the box and accept by power. No, this button is to accept. Now we are in the secret menu. From you're gonna choose a wipe cache partition, accept by power, and now wipe data factory reset, accept by power. Go to the yes. And now as you see, tablet gonna erase all data, wiping it, formatting cache, and done. Now accept by power, reboot system now, and tablet gonna be start with the new brand firmware without any password and problem on the software. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!